Haters vex, can me bless, what's me no stress. Boy, me nah no man problem. Me them a pre, them a wanna be. Girl a fi a worry about me no worry about them. Say no way me up. Girl a fi sit down, can't stand me. And me money nah. No borrow goods, no depend me. I feel me life and me love it. You know see a be a pretty pan me. Haters can't stand.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my night. Welcome back to another scratch that. Okay, guys, as I was saying, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. And it's a girl vibing Tony right. Sorry to be inactive. I've just been busy lately. So today now, what make me do a video? Because my friend he want to start a YouTube channel. I'm going to explain, so I'm just gonna do the video. So the video is called How to Start a YouTube Channel, guys. And please don't fast my business. So remember, before getting into the video, like, share, subscribe, comment, and turn on the post notification bell so you can become notified anytime you see Nation drop a new banger video, guys. And I will be doing post notification shout out starting today. Also the notification shout out will start next video, but you have to be first, okay? So let's get into the video. So guys, if you want to be on YouTube, these are the necessary tools that I have. Yes, man, that I have. These are the necessary tools that I have. Sorry, there, guys. Wait there. Something I do. As I was saying, guys, that bike I can shut up. I just come the video when I do. I can make guys when I do video. I chat foolishness, guys. Bear in mind, I do this before class starts 8 o'clock, so I have to hurry up. Yeah, 7:30. So guys, these are the necessary tools that I use for my YouTube videos. Yes. So remember, make sure that this Pixar make a thumbnail. YouTube Studio. I have YouTube Studio if you want YouTuber. You have to right? I have InShot if you want. This is InShot music still. Pinterest, like when I get my logo, them to make me intro. YouTube, because you can post a video on YouTube, and CapCut when me use edit the video them. So first of all, we are going to go in a YouTube. You all in my business, don't do that. You have to press on the link account up there, so but me go pause the video because I'm on this business.
Hey, what's up?
Alright guys, me go block out this. So when you see that little part there, we press the up there, so mark the plus sign. Yeah, at this so we not go press. We're going to check in info. It I can ask my password, so you know. Yeah. I'm in there. Guys, that ask my password, so I'm just gonna pause it and make it up my password. Right. Guys, so basically I'm gonna say I'm gonna use my name. I'm gonna use them. Start over. Oh, start all over again. Password time. So basically guys, my default press me and create account, because I don't really remember. I press mine for myself. Wanna give me a minute there. Okay guys, so I'm gonna write in my name. Yeah. Guys, remember say your name if you write in here. Remember your name. Press next. Press the date. You're gonna see come up, you're gonna see your date of birth if you put in. But they make a block out so you can't go really see it. Sorry, it's not gonna be really detailed. Yes, about November. Put your gender, is it? Well, you must know that still. Alright now, so you can create your own email address or you want to press that. So I'm just going to create TONI'S5gmail.com. I'm going to speak it out. Now, I'm not going to show my password. I don't want to say it too fast.
So guys, I just forgot to tell you say one message I could come in with your code. You just like autofill it with it. So that's all right there. And then I go press
So I'm
next.
just autofill the code while I go. Yeah. Alright. So basically, this is my account, guys. And then you're gonna see some back of things that come out and say I agree. Loading up. There's a Google services. Oh my god, sounds not hit different. Coming up, guys. Well, it could download and come back. Okay, guys, and basically that's it. If you want to start a channel, you press the account where you just make. You can start. You can go on your channel. And you're gonna use YouTube, TONI'S, and that. Yeah. You're gonna see it. Use YouTube as you can put in your name when you want to start YouTube and then you say create channel. But I'm not gonna do that because I don't want to create a channel. But guys, this is the end of videos, babies. Thank you for watching. Remember the post notification, shout out in my next YouTube video. Remember to like, share, subscribe, comment, turn on that post notification bell so you can become notified every time the TT Nation drop a new video. So guys, I will be having credit giveaway $1,000 Digicel, $1,000 Lime for when we reach 200 subscribers. Help me. Peer giveaways are coming, so just peace. Mwah. Love you. Stay safe.